Hello, and welcome to this week's Unity Community Collaborations YouTube and Etsy Spotlight of the Week. Every Monday at 8 a.m., we spotlight YouTube channels you will learn from and their stores that we know you'll enjoy. All the channels, shops, Facebook pages, and groups introduced this week have clickable links below the video. If you would like to be featured, subscribe to the Facebook groups of the UCC members. Each one you subscribe to increases your chance to be featured, as one site is randomly chosen from each list every week. Don't forget to like and share this video. The first choice of the week, selected by Robin Espich, is RachandBella Crafts. I am Rachel from RachandBella Crafts. Bella is my mom. I live in Wales in the UK, and I started making journals around 18 months ago. Mom taught me everything I know, and I have been hooked ever since. I just love how there's no wrong way to create these beautiful projects. I have been so grateful to have this distraction throughout this last year, as I believe it has kept me sane and fills my heart with joy every time I complete a journal. I also love the community that I have discovered. We were sent into lockdown, but I have met a world full of wonderful, inspiring people through the process and made some fantastic new friends. Through this, I feel inspired to create a digital kit and just love the process and the creative freedom to decorate a blank page. There's no better feeling than seeing someone else creating something beautiful with your digital kit. The second choice of the week, selected by Teri S, is Your Way Crafting by Brenda Duguay. I am a mother to a beautiful daughter and a grandmother to two beautiful children. I taught and have done paper towel and towel painting, making home decor items before I discovered the junk journaling world. I have been doing memory keeping journals for about a year and a half. Recently, I started a Facebook group and opened a selling platform as well. I started YouTube in September of last year. My focus on YouTube is to inspire and encourage others. It is also to show what I like to make. I do it because I love to craft, learn, and teach. My Facebook group also started in September, but just in the last few days, I put a platform to sell in my group. Don't forget, if you would like to be featured, subscribe to the Facebook groups of the UCC founders and members and list your YouTube channel and Etsy stores on their events list. Each one you subscribe to increases your chance to be featured, as one site is randomly chosen from each list every week. The UCC founders are Robin Espich, founder, Teri S, co-founder. If you have 200 or more subscribers to your YouTube channel and Facebook group and want to become a member of the UCC and participate in the UCC YouTube and Etsy Spotlight of the Week, email uccgroup2021@gmail.com for more information. Thank you for joining us with this week's Unity Community Collaborations YouTube and Etsy Spotlight of the Week. We will see you again Monday at 8 a.m. with the next UCC YouTube and Etsy Spotlight of the Week, and even more excellent YouTube channels and Etsy stores.